Getting started with fitness can be overwhelming, but trust me, it's one of the best decisions you can make for your life. Regular exercise can boost your energy, improve your mood, and enhance your overall quality of life. And remember, everyone starts somewhere, so it's perfectly okay to be a beginner. First things first, let's talk about setting goals. Understanding why you want to start your fitness journey is crucial. Maybe you want to improve your health, lose weight, gain strength, or just feel better overall. Knowing your why will help keep you disciplined on tough days. When it comes to setting goals, I recommend using the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to get fit, set a goal like I want to lose 5 pounds in the next 2 months by exercising 3 times a week and eating healthier. This way, your goal is clear and you have a plan to achieve it. Now let's dive into the basics of fitness. There are 3 main types of exercises you should incorporate into your routine: cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardio exercises like walking, jogging, and cycling help improve your heart health and boost your endurance. Strength training, which includes body weight exercises and lifting weights, helps build strength and muscle. And flexibility exercises like stretching and yoga improve your range of motion and help prevent injuries. A balanced routine includes a mix of these exercises. Here's a simple workout plan for beginners. Monday, 30 minutes of walking or jogging. Tuesday, strength training workout. Wednesday, yoga or stretching session. Thursday, rest. Friday, 30 minutes of cycling or any other cardio activity. Saturday, strength training workout. Sunday, rest. Before you jump into any workout, it's important to warm up properly to prepare your body and prevent injuries. A simple warm-up can include light cardio like walking on a treadmill and dynamic stretches. If you want a good dynamic warm-up to include in your workout routine, I have a video on my channel for upper and lower body training. After your workout, it's just as important to cool down with light cardio and some static stretches to help your muscles relax and recover. Fitness and nutrition go hand in hand. Eating a balanced diet will support your workouts and help you achieve your goals. Focus on consuming a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, as well as plenty of fruits and vegetables. A few simple nutrition tips. Control your portions by using smaller plates or measuring your food. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains over processed foods. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For healthy meal ideas, try starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast like scrambled eggs and spinach. Have a balanced lunch like chicken and rice, and enjoy a nutritious dinner like baked salmon with roasted veggies. Staying motivated can be challenging, but tracking your progress can make a big difference. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to log your workouts and also note how you're feeling after each workout. And remember to celebrate your small achievements along the way. This is a lifelong commitment. You will always have ups and downs. Building a support system is also crucial. Find a friend to work out with, join a fitness class, or look into hiring a personal trainer or online coach. Sharing your journey with others can provide the encouragement and accountability you need to stay on track. As you start your fitness journey, it's important to avoid common pitfalls. Don't push yourself too hard too soon. Listen to your body and give it time to adapt. If you feel pain or discomfort, take a break and consult a professional if necessary. Setbacks are a normal part of the process. If you miss a workout or indulge in something unhealthy, don't beat yourself up. Focus on getting back on track and remembering why you started. Let's recap what we've covered today. We talked about setting realistic goals, understanding the basics of fitness, basic nutrition tips, staying motivated, and avoiding common pitfalls. I encourage you to take your first step today, whether it's doing a simple workout, setting your fitness goals, or making a healthy meal. Remember, consistency is the key, and you can achieve your fitness goals with dedication and effort. If you want more information on any of these topics, I have videos on my channel where I discuss these topics in detail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your fitness goals or any question that you may have, and don't forget to subscribe to Doug Brown Training for more fitness content. Catch you guys in the next video.